Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So let's get started to repairing this yellowish multimeter. So what's happening to multimeter I will discuss in this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe channel. So this is a Chinese cheap multimeter which is 9 volt operated while dual battery. So what's happening with this one? So if you look into this way all multimeter and having worthy part. So what happened to multimeter? So this multimeter have done a program of digits program. Let's look the part. So you see the multimeter showing only this type of digits, this digit, and let's be sometimes visual, this is not visual. So this is how it's showing. What this is not on the program, have many other type of programs. So what kind of program is this I will discuss. So the last point is very much important, so don't forget to like and watch full video. So what's happening in this video, when I was trying to disable it, so this multimeter showing wrong value. So main problem is the wrong value. So wrong value is happening while a multimeter, a microprocessor, or other type of component that way, but not in a regular case. Just a whole type of thing. There's 2 digits and 3 digits and much more typical to analyze what time a program has that. So this program exactly when you removing this type of cover and find a program to moving the screw from the work panel of this multimeter. So I just adjust the voltage level to a lower voltage, so shift the digit from two numbers. So this two number showing there's a problem. If much of just the low value, so this is a low value. So do you have any idea how to repairing this multimeter? So when I was set to this multimeter, so this is also showing no any other changes, so these changes will not applicable. So main focus to how to repairing this. So this is maybe a screening problem, this is maybe a component problem, resistor, capacitor. So let's guess and moving this what the problem is. The main problem is here where you set the continuity mode, this is completely off. So this means the main component is just one or other type of component is not working properly. So this is not a good idea for everyone to who have a possibility to make this happen. Okay, let's move the cover of this bottom. I just remove the screw from back panel. So this is the main PCB of this type of multimeter. We have cheap multimeter, have cheap component is added on the PCB. So this PCB is basically a low level PCB and have a Chinese product. To see the Chinese product is not more reliable and it is cheap, but the quality is not good. It is not possible to repairing Chinese component because this component is have a cheap quality and the cheap component. Okay, I see what the program is. This is a main chip. So this main chip is not okay. Just moving the white tree and tree how to repair this one. I just move the white tree and the white tree pro. I remember the last time I changed this new battery, but this battery is still working. So don't worry because the battery health is completely okay, but the PCB health is not okay. So I just something find a clear thing what's happening to this one. So just removing this screw. Okay, so our hard work is done. This is a main water, and the main water is okay, but that's a good idea if you have removing this type of batteries, because the battery health is fine, and that is a good idea to how to moving and checking. Okay, just checking this one. So I just cleaning the PCB with the ethanol alcohol, and I think that completely cleanings, and the suffix is just removed back. I just fixed the backing to this one, and be careful, don't put any pressure of PCB. If you add any pressure of PCB, the PCB may be damaged, and you get it gone off, and this make become a faulty reading. So that's good idea to removing the errors. Okay, this PCB generally a low level PCB. I just cleaning, and I think I've already find the fault. The fault is this black dot. It is the main processor microprocessor PCB. So this may be completely damaged if not the knowledge, and I just moving you back to screw. So maybe good idea to removing this screw, and that's it. If you have the last point and the last suggestion, I suggest you, if you fix any type of this issue, so first of all to clean the PCB and check the resistance and capacitor, and possibly diets. And this is the whole solution, because this is a cheap Chinese product. Go, that's not fixer. So this is a big problem, because this microprocessor much heating issues. So this means this is completely damaged. So last but not least, this is it, and thanks. So thanks for watching.